So now the question is, prove that tan 9a minus tan 5a minus tan 4a is equal to tan 9a into tan 5a into tan 4a. So first we take that 9a can be written as 5a plus 4a. Here we have a tan, so apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. So we get that tan 9a is equal to tan of 5a plus 4a, and this is nothing but tan a plus b. Tan a plus b. The formula for tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this is a basic formula. So we have written as tan 5a plus tan 4a by 1 minus tan 5a into tan 4a. This is nothing but tan 9a. So this is a divided by is converted into this side. We get that tan 9a into 1 minus tan 5a into tan 4a is equal to tan of 5a plus 4a, tan of 4a. So we do that. So tan 9a into 1, multiply that is nothing but tan 9a minus tan of 9a into tan of 5a into tan of 4a is equal to tan of 5a plus tan of 4a. So therefore this is tan will be converted into this side. We get that tan 9a minus tan 5a minus tan 4a minus tan of 9a tan of 5a tan of a equal to 0, and this minus will be converted into this side. So we get that tan 9a minus tan 5a minus tan 4a, that is equal to tan of 9a into tan of 5a into tan of a. So finally we solve this problem. So first, how can we identify that this problem is solved, that tan a plus b? So first we written as 9a, that is 9a is nothing but 5a plus 4a, and we have a tan. So for that just we apply tan on both sides. So that is nothing but a tan a plus b. Formula is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So therefore tan 5a plus 4a, apply the tan a plus b. We get that tan 5a plus tan 4a by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is divided by converted into this side, it is multiplied. So therefore tan 9a into 1 minus tan 5a into tan 4a equal to tan of 5a plus 4a, and we multiplied this value tan 9a into 1, nothing but tan 9a minus tan 9a into tan 5a into tan 4a is equal to tan of 5a plus tan of 4a. We need tan 9a minus tan 5a minus tan 4a. So therefore this sides, this will be converted into this side, and these are the plus. The plus is converted into this side, we get a minus. That is tan 9a minus tan 5a minus tan 4a, and we have minus here, minus of tan 9a 9 5a tan a, and this is a minus. Minus is converted into this side, we get plus. So finally we get that tan 9a minus tan 5a minus tan 4a is equal to tan 9a into tan 5a into tan a. And next one is and next one is the next problem is cos 15 minus that is cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees divided by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees, that equal to 1 by root 3. That is prove that. So here the solution is take that LHS, that is nothing but a cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees. So first divided by cos 15 divided by cos 15 degrees, both numerator and denominator. So therefore we get that cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees. And we separate that is nothing but separate for each term, cos 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees plus sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees. And we get that these two are cancelled. 1 minus tan 15 degrees by 1 plus tan 15 degrees, and we have written as 1 minus tan 15 degrees by 1 plus 1 into tan 15 can be written as 1 into this one, that is nothing but tan 15 degrees can be written as 1 into tan 15 degrees. And next we know that tan 45 degrees, tan 45 is nothing but a 1, and we get that and we written as tan A minus B, that is tan 45 minus tan 15 degree by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 15 degree. So this is nothing but tan A plus B formula. So what is the tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here we have A minus B, tan A minus B. Okay, tan A plus B. Just we modify that. Take eraser. This is nothing but a minus. So we get that tan A minus B is tan A minus B plus tan A tan B. So this is a basic formula. So we get that tan of 45 minus 15 degree. So we get that tan 30. We need tan 30. Tan 30 nothing but 1 by root 3. So just we summary the question. So we need to prove that cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree by cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree, that is equal to 1 by root 3. First we have to take this LHS. Here we divided by cos, because we need to prove that it is a tan. Tan is nothing but sin by cos. For that, so just we take that divided by cos. So divided by cos 15 and separate the numerators, cos 15 by cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees and cos 15 degrees by cos 15 and so on. These two are cancelled and it can be written as 1 minus tan 15 degrees by 1 plus tan 15 degrees. We know that tan 15 degrees can be written as 1 into tan 15 degrees and tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. And we get that tan 45 degrees minus tan 15 degrees by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 15. This is nothing but tan A minus B. Then we get the tan 30 nothing but 1 by root 3. Next one, the next question is that is third question. We need to prove that sin square 52 and a half minus sin square 22 and a half, that we get that root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, 4 root 2. Prove that. The solution is, we take that LHS, that is sin square 52 and a half minus sin square 22 and a half. So we have a formula, sin square A minus sin square B. This is nothing but sin A plus B into sin of A minus B. So here that A is equal to 52 and a half and B equal to 22 and a half. We get that sin of A plus B 52 and a half plus 22 and a half into sin of A minus B 52 and a half minus 22 and a half. So we get that sin 52, that is 5375, sin 75 into 7 sin 30. So we have a formula, that is sin 75 value. Sin 75 value, sin 75 degree, the value is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So therefore this is nothing but, since root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So therefore finally we get that 1 by 4 into root 2 root 3 plus 1, that is root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. So how do we solve this problem? So this is the sin square 52 and a half minus sin square 22 and a half. So we have a formula, that is A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square is nothing but A square minus B square nothing but A plus B into A minus B. So like that we are remembering the formula. In the same way we can remembering the formula, sin square A minus sin square B, that is nothing but sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So we compare that A is equal to 52 and a half and B equal to 22 and a half. We substitute we get that 775 into sin 30. Sin 75 value, the value of sin 75 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. After simplification we get that root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Okay.